Hello and welcome to another art house movie review. This time I'm reviewing the film 2001 A Space Odyssey, directed by Stanley Kubrick. Now, I always find it difficult to choose one favourite film because I think all films aren't necessarily comparable. But if you force me to choose one film that was my favourite, it would be 2001 A Space Odyssey. I saw this film when I was aged 12 on a very large Cinerama screen in Liverpool, and it had a big impact on me. I didn't completely understand it, but I really loved it. I haven't seen it for a few years, and I'd really forgotten how experimental and audacious this film is. And for me, it still really stands up today. Even the technology doesn't look terrible. The opening scene is breathtaking. The planet with the sun rising behind it, and the music, also Sprach Zarathustra, just stunning. The ape scene is extraordinary. The dawn of man. And there's no CGI. This is all actors inside costumes. I didn't actually remember the tapirs. It's so cool the way they're just hanging out with the fake apes in the set. Kubrick really goes over the top in terms of dragging everything out, but I find this so bold, even though at times it can be quite boring in terms of the length of the scenes. But the special effects are amazing for the 1960s, and I really can't blame Kubrick for reveling in them. And I think he really focused more on the experience of watching a film rather than being entertained by a gripping story. The music in this film is incredible, and they are not all obvious choices. My dad actually had the record for this film, and so I knew the music really well before I saw it for the first time, and this may well have helped my enjoyment of it. Now, this is perhaps a personal thing, but I think that the monolith is one of the most iconic images in cinema history. It appears 3 times in the film. It feels so significant, and it's really influenced me and my artwork. Who knows what this film is really about? It's about experiencing the infinite beyond our material world. And personally, I feel like there's almost a divinity in the monolith, and I can almost believe that the monolith was present before the Big Bang. It's that significant. I saw this film at a 70mm screening in London at the BFI. The audience applauded at the end, and I enthusiastically joined in. Hooray for 2001. Of course, you're not going to be surprised to learn that I highly recommend this film, though don't be surprised if you find it quite hard work. Thanks for watching. See you next time.